Right now, we're seeing a notable sentiment score of plus 0.44 in fashion, which is significantly above our historical baseline. This spike suggests that consumer enthusiasm is not only rising, but the momentum has also increased by plus 0.18 over the past 24 hours, indicating a strong upward trend. Our API returns comprehensive insights, including sentiment analysis and semantic clustering, allowing you to dive deep into the conversation around fashion. With 20 semantic clusters identified, you can pinpoint specific themes driving this positive sentiment. Imagine using this data to tailor your marketing strategy or product launch, aligning perfectly with the latest consumer interests. To get started, check out our detailed documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.